Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing a quick and easy card for Christmas. And this is my simple stamping and paper crafts. So this is the card that I'm sharing. I love these little pine needles, and so I wanted to use them as a border for this card, and it's really quick and easy. So if you're a beginner, this is for you. So let's get started. You're going to need a basic, very vanilla 5.5 by 4.25 card base. You're going to need a piece of designer series paper, and I love this paper. This is the Toil Tidings designer series paper. I hope I'm saying that right because I just don't know. But this is my favorite of the season. Except for the snowman. I love that one too. These two are really my favorites, but look at the patterns and stuff. You could even use this for the background of this card. But it is gorgeous paper. It's in our new holiday catalog. And that piece is 5.25 by 4. And then to stamp on, you need one piece that's 5 by 3.75. All right, the stamp sets that we're using for this is So Many Stars, and I'm just using the Joy off of this one. You can use any of these sentiments. You can use any sentiment you have, but I love this Joy on this. And then I am using the Christmas Countdown, and it is this one right here. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous stamp. All right, so let's get started with this. We're going to use some Garden Green and some Real Red, and we're going to go ahead and stamp the Joy first. And what I did here is I just centered it, so I have my center right here, but you can mark it off if you want. And then I'm just going to stamp it close to the center as possible. It's really pretty. I like doing the sentiment first, because then I can build my pine cones or my pine branches around it. So I am going to just start stamping the corners first. It's a good way for you to start. And then we're just going to fill in. And you can fill in 2 at the bottom. And then 1 each on the side. It's really a pretty look. All right, so that is all of that stamping that we're going to do right there. I'm going to use my Real Red Dark blend, and we are going to just color in the little berries really quickly with the Real Red, because that is the color that is in this designer series paper. Alright, so that is it. If you want to leave it like that, you could just go ahead and leave it like that. I just wanted to add a little bit more interest, so I am just dotting 3 little dots all around here, just randomly. And I'm going to leave it like that. And then we're going to add it to our piece of matte here, designer series paper. And actually I did the stripes going the other way, but this time I'm doing them this way. I guess I just cut it that way, but it doesn't matter. It's still pretty. And then it's got the green on the other side. Love that too. And then we're going to add it to the front of our card here. We're actually going to do one more thing to this card. We are adding some clear Wink of Stella, and I just doing it on all these little berries. It's just going to add a little bit of bling to it. It's really, really pretty on here. And then I just outlined the Joy as well. and it really, really brought out the real red on that. You probably can't see it in the video. Usually it's hard to catch in the video, but that is it. It's that simple. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.